Hello everyone and welcome to Long's Toys. I have another Kamen Rider X8 review for you today. This is the DX Mighty Action X Gashat Battle Sound version X8 Level 2. Basically, when the Excite CD came out, there were two versions. The first one that we took a look at was Limited Edition A, and as you can see here, this is Limited Edition B. So the first one came with the theme song version of the Mighty Action X Gashat. This one comes with a battle sound version. Not 100% sure exactly what that means, but we will take a look. So, going to kind of unbox this here for you. Open up the little plastic flap. Pull these two things out. You have the Gashat box, and then you have the CD. Now, as far as I know, the CD is exactly the same as the other CD, just the picture on the back here is different. Even this picture is exactly the same. As far as I know, it's the exact same 4 songs on the CD. I think I'm going to just leave this one sealed, just to have a sealed version since I have two. No real reason to open that up for you. But taking a look here at the sound version of the Gashat, that is taped closed, so I will have to open that up. There we go. And there you go. Pop this out. And you can see here it says Kamen Rider X8 Level 2 Sound. Mighty Action X on the side. Pull the tab out. And just put that off to the side. It has the QR code for the Gambarizing game. You can see the picture here is the same. So it just says Mighty Action X, no winning or losing sounds. It is a deluxe version though. You can see the plastic piece does not come out. It is screwed in there. The batteries come included. So it is a full deluxe Gashat, not just a candy toy or capsule toy version, which is nice. Just doesn't have the win or lose sound. So it's pretty much all I can do with this thing on its own. I'm going to go ahead and bring in the gamer driver. Alright, so here is the gamer driver. So there you go, typical level 1 sounds. So transforming, we open up. So there you go. You just kind of get like a little riff of battle music there that it just kind of plays for a little bit. But it really plays it for a decent amount of time. Right when I thought it was going to cut out, it kind of went again. So I like that. It's definitely some fun music. I was hoping kind of a song like that would be on the CD instead of just kind of different remix versions of Excite. I have listened to the CD. I can tell you that it has the normal version of Excite, an instrumental version, which almost gets completely lost. I didn't realize how much the lyrics carried that song. Then there's like 2 weird remixes of it. One, in my personal opinion, I kind of like the first one. The second one I don't like as much, but that's for you to decide when you hear them. But so it's just 4 versions of the same song. I was kind of hoping to get some of this like battle music or background music, things like that, like they do when they release like a little CD for a Sentai or for Ultraman or something like that. So that's what I was kind of hoping for, but it really is just 4 versions of the opening song. I like the opening song. I just, little variety would have been neat. But there, I think there's going to be like a full X-Aid soundtrack CD later on. So that'll have all the other songs and stuff. But in either case, I think it's pretty neat. It plays a nice chunk of battle music there. I really appreciate that. I'll go ahead and show you the... As you know, for the level 3, it takes a good long time because, I guess it expects, I don't know. I don't know why it takes so long, but it really does. It will play eventually, but it's like a good 30 to 40 seconds before it'll kick in with the level 3 sounds and then the battle music. So we just have to be patient. Every time I think it's going to be done, it kicks in for like another verse of it. I love it. But man, did I time that perfectly? As soon as I stopped talking, it went off. So apparently I was wrong. It does not have the level 3 sounds. It just does the battle music. So to me, there's really no reason to use the level 3. Just pop it in the first slot. You can go right to level 2 and then immediately into the battle music. And then you don't have to wait 40 seconds or 30 seconds for no reason. So I don't know. Just weird in my opinion. But it is at the core a Mighty Action X Gashat. It does the level 1 and level 2 sounds, and then it plays the really neat music. But let's go ahead and check out its functionality with the Kimiwaza slot holder. So there you go. Typical Mighty Action X Critical Strike. So typical critical finish sound for Mighty Action X. So I like this Gashat quite a bit. I can't really decide if I like this one or the theme song version better. I like them both for different reasons. I mean, at the core, they're both Mighty Action X Gashats, so the level 1 and level 2 sounds are the same as the original Mighty Action X. This one apparently doesn't have the level 3. I can't remember off the top of my head if the theme song version does, but I think it's the same way where it just waits a really long time and then plays the special sound. It's really up to you. I mean, I would definitely suggest getting at least one of them because it is nice to have at least one CD because I do like the 4 songs that you get on there. So I would at least recommend picking up either the sound version or the theme song version, depending on which one you like. I mean, if you like both, go for it. I think they're both fun to have. They don't do a whole heck of a lot on their own, but I do like the music that this one plays. And like I said, every time I think it's about to be done, it kicks in for a little bit longer. I think it does play longer than the theme song version plays. I wish the theme song version played a little bit more of the theme song, but I guess it was just where they thought it logically made sense to break it up, like where to stop and what clip to include. So that might have played into it a little bit, but yeah, I like it. I mean, it's kind of a bummer that the critical strike and critical finish sounds are exactly the same, but at least they're included. It is nice that they didn't just omit them, which they could have done. So yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, the CD is nice. Like I said, you really only need one copy, but if you want both Gashats, you'll end up with 2. I would definitely suggest at least getting one. If you can find one for a decent price, if you can find the set, I think it's nice to get a fun Gashat and a CD. If you love both Gashats and you want to track down both, by all means, go ahead and good luck. I have no idea what these are going to cost on the aftermarket, and I have no idea if they're still available through Amazon Japan. I've kind of heard from my buddy Brian, who had it pre-ordered, but then for some reason it didn't go through, and then they wouldn't let him change it. I don't know if they honored pre-orders, but now it's exclusive to Japan. Amazon Japan is weird about stuff like that. I really don't understand how that works, but if you can find one for a reasonable price, and it's going to be up to you what you think is reasonable. I guess normal retail was around 3,000 yen, so probably around $30 for the set, which I think is reasonable when you figure you're getting a Gashat, deluxe Gashat and a CD. I think around $30 is reasonable. I probably wouldn't go any higher than like 45, 50, but that's just me personally. Again, your mileage is going to vary with these. It's really up to you how much you need to have these. So I think they're nice sets. It's just really going to depend what it's worth to you personally. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like and share this video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you've enjoyed this look at the DX Mighty Action X Gashat Battle Sound version X-Aid Level 2. That's a bit of a mouthful to say. With the Excite CD. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.